Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network, and today I'm gonna unboxing the multi-purpose rack or microwave rack or kitchen rack. Okay, so this is the box. If you like it, the URL of the shopping, if you want to shop, URL will be below the video. So this is the box that I got for one piece, and then this is called K-shaped microwave rack because of it's K there. Okay, and first here's the what's the menu. Okay, nothing behind. Here's a screw that I gave, screwdriver. Okay. Okay, the K rack. This is for this. Okay, I'm not going to do it now. I'm going to do the another video of to installing. So this is just unboxing. Okay, this is the below, right below. You can see there. So this black color. It's wood. With good finishing. And the last one will be the wood for this side, behind the side. Alright, so that's it, the unboxing for this K-shaped microwave rack, and we'll do another video of for installation. So thank you for watching.